A slew of Fed speeches and economic data on deck this week. Gold seems to be having a tough start here, but could it be setting itself up for higher prices? How will the metal perform? Joining us now from Chicago is Todd Bubba Horwitz. Bubba, good to have you back on. Long time no speak, and happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you, and it's always great to be with you, Daniela.
So gold under pressure this Tuesday, breaking some hearts here. It's the same day 4 Fed officials spoke out in public. What did you make of their statements, and what about the market's reaction to their comments?
Well, they should never be allowed out in public, number one, but their speeches, they're really testing the water again on whether or not they're going to be able to raise rates. And I think gold told you it was up, and then it went down hard. But again, it bounced right off at 1225, which was a great level for it to bounce. It actually looks very strong right here. And Fed or no Fed, I think it looks like it's going to work its way higher for now. As long as it can hold above 1225, it looks like we're going to hit, maybe 1250 to 1280.
Okay, so you mentioned 1225. That's the key level you're saying it has to hold?
Yeah, I think so. I think we've seen, on Friday we were down pretty good, and we came down just under 1225 just to take off and rally again. And it's really been surprisingly strong here. I think one of the things that may be driving gold as well is, there's a new revived war on cash. And I think that people are starting to say, you know what, maybe I should start buying some gold as well here. So I think that's another thing pushing gold higher.
Now, are you still expecting that big one leg down? I know you've been on before saying you were expecting gold to head a little south here before you become ultra bullish. So is that still to happen? You think it's still on deck here?
I still think, I do believe there'll be one more down leg. Again, you have to look at it from different ways. If you're an investor, I have no problem starting to buy gold now because, again, I'm going to average my way in. As a trader, I'm waiting for that one more big pullback to really load up the wagon and really buy a lot of gold. But I do think there is one more leg coming. Now, again, that could change. If we continue to hold 1225 and we start to rebuild a new trend here, then the bottom could be in.
So are you just, but you as a trader, are you always just waiting for that one leg down because you're preparing yourself for the worst?
Well, I'll trade in and out. I mean, I was a buyer 1225 on the bounce, but to make it, I want to take a really big position in gold, and I'm very bullish gold, but I would like to buy it into weakness when some of the longs get scared out, because I do believe that the bear market in gold is almost over if it's not over already. I do look for the one more pullback, but I do believe the bear market in gold is either over or it'll be over very soon. And I think we're going to go make a run for the highs eventually here.
All right, let's talk about a silver lining now. How'd you like that, Bubba? Silver price is slightly higher and scoring a 3-month high today. The metal is closing in on 18 bucks here, Bubba. How do you see it?
I see silver. I think silver still remains the best of the group because, you've got dual use, you've got the precious metal value, and you've got the industrial value. I think that it goes through 18, and I think we're going to be looking at 19 pretty quick. And I think silver's going to continue to go over. I do believe the bear market in silver is over. So I think we look for spots to buy.
Todd Bubba Horwitz, thank you so much for joining us on this special Valentine's edition. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Danielle. Happy Valentine's Day.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you back on Kitco's Gold Report tomorrow.